Only July 16, a powerful 7.3 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Alaska, Aleutian Peninsula, just south of Sandpoint, triggering a tsunami warning that briefly spanned a 700-mile extent of southern coastline, the United States Geological Survey reported. The earthquake occurred at approximately 12:73 p.m. local time, with its epicenter located about 54 miles south of Sandpoint, a small island community. The epicenter of the seismic event had a relatively shallow depth of 20.1 kilometers. The National Weather Service is anchored issued a tsunami warning for South Alaska and the Alaska Peninsula after the earthquake. Posting on X, a tsunami warning has been issued for the Alaska Peninsula areas from the Kennedy entrance of Unimakpas. Cities included are Cold Bay, Sandpoint, and Kodiak. We can say with reasonable confidence that the Kenai Peninsula both locations will not see impacts. Although the warning was later downgraded to an advisory, the earthquake resented fear of another catastrophic mega tsunami similar to the infamous 1958 Little Wave event, when a gigatonic wave surged more than 500 miles in a flood after a massive landslide.